Beef tallow is a scam. So there's this skincare trend, let's call it beef tallow for the face. Advocates claim that applying rendered beef fat, known as tallow, can moisturize the skin, reduce acne, and provide a natural alternative to commercial skincare products. Sounds intriguing, right? But what if I told you that this trend is a scam for 8 reasons? Number 1, false claims of skincare benefits. 2, fear-mongering against conventional skincare. 3, celebrity authority misuse. 4, anecdotal evidence as proof. 5, urgency and scarcity tactics. 6, discrediting dermatologists and science. 7, misleading science. 8, selling a product that doesn't work, then blaming knockoffs. And 9, lying about their age and providing pseudo-positive effects. So first up, false claims of skincare benefits. These ads push beef tallow as a miracle cure for things like,
especially when I have an eczema flare-up or if I'm breaking out,
acne, eczema, wrinkles, and skin damage without any scientific backing. Marketers claim it's
literally biologically compatible with your skin and it's all natural. It heals and protects your skin while smoothing fine lines, wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and active breakout.
And packed with vitamin A, D, E, and K. But these vitamins don't effectively get absorbed through the skin. Dermatologists, also academic journals, not TikTok influencers, are those that set the gold standard for skincare. Number 2, fear-mongering against dermatology and skincare science. One of the most manipulative tactics in these ads is convincing people to distrust dermatologists and skincare brands as well as actual science. They throw out lines like,
"You can't eat your skincare? What are you doing? Why would you even put it on your face?"
Because all these traditional big brand skincare products contain all these toxic chemicals that are just messing up your skin.
These ads falsely label mainstream skincare as toxic, while offering tallow as a clean alternative, ignoring the fact that not everything natural is better. Lead, arsenic, and mercury are all natural too, but you wouldn't be rubbing those on your face. Number 3, celebrity and authority misuse.
Zendaya pretty much just exposed the whole celebrity skincare scam in 2 sentences.
Salma Hayek is 58 years old. She listens to these beauty secrets from her ancestors.
Salma Hayek, Zendaya, and Lindsay Lohan's boyfriend are cited as proof that beef tallow is the secret for youthful skin. These celebrities never actually endorse these beef tallow, but ads use their names to create fake credibility. Just because a celebrity has good skin doesn't mean that they're using beef tallow. And number 4, anecdotal proof over scientific evidence. Influencers say things like,
"Yeah, I'm a girl that cleared her lifelong hormonal cystic acne with beef fat.
This is what my skin looked like before I started using tallow.
And my skin cleared up this much. I didn't even feel like I needed makeup on my wedding day as far as foundation goes because my skin was so clear by the time my wedding came around, and I have had horrible skin my entire life."
That's not science. That's anecdotal storytelling dressed up as a fact. The placebo effect, dietary changes, or even stopping using harmful skincare routines could explain those so-called transformations. But none of these testimonials replace actual dermatological research. And number 5, fake urgency and scarcity tactics. Ever notice how these ads always claim the product is about to sell out? Phrases like,
"But it is half off right now for I don't know how long, so if you guys want to try it."
I don't know if they'll be in stock, but if you see a little orange button, I would run and grab some.
But if I were you, I would act fast and grab one quick.
They've been selling out like crazy. I'll leave a link for you guys down here anyways. If you still see that orange link, it means they just restocked, and I would run to grab these while you still can.
These are classic scam tactics to pressure impulsive purchases. Number 6, logical fallacies and misinformation. These marketers rely on logical fallacies to manipulate consumers, such as appeal to nature.
This is Mother Nature's moisturizer.
Beef tallow is all natural, so it doesn't have any of that nasty chemical.
Nature doesn't always mean safer. Remember, arsenic is natural too. False dilemma.
"If you can't eat your skincare, what are you doing? Why would you even put it on your face?"
In fact, most skincare is actually just purely toxic.
Since this all-natural beef tallow only contains antioxidants and vitamins to help repair our skin barriers, is the reason why no one wants us knowing about it. Because all these major skincare brands contain toxic chemicals like parabens and phthalates.
False choice. There are plenty of safe skincare options. Anecdotal fallacy.
"Yeah, I'm a girl that cleared her lifelong hormonal cystic acne with beef fat.
This is what my skin looked like before I started using tallow.
Started using beef tallow for my skin and immediately got rid of years worth of acne scars and active breakout."
Personal experience is not scientific proof. False cause post hoc.
Water and beef tallow. Because my skin has just never been clearer.
And my skin cleared up this much, and I have had horrible skin my entire life.
Ignoring other factors like diet, hormones, or even stop using irritating products. Bandwagon fallacy.
There's over 80,000 of these sold, and if you
The only seller with 100,000 units sold and a ton of 5-star reviews.
Just because it's trending doesn't mean it's effective or good for you. Misuse of science.
Instead, she replenishes her collagen by using marigold flower, manuka honey, and beef tallow, which is the most powerful natural skincare. Beef tallow is jam-packed full of nutrients. It has vitamin A, D, E, and K.
Beef tallow closely mimic our skin natural fat, so your skin...
These vitamins don't necessarily get absorbed through topical application. Strawman argument. Dermatologists want you to have healthy skin. They're not hiding miracle cures. There's endless amount of people with bad skin. Number 7, misleading science. These ads throw out scientific sounding phrases to trick people into believing beef tallow has medical benefits.
Beef tallow on their skin is because it's biocompatible with human skin.
Beef tallow closely mimic our skin natural fat, so your...
Jam-packed full of nutrients. It has vitamin A, D, E, and K.
Sounds convincing, right? It's all misleading. Biocompatibility doesn't mean effective skincare. Just because something is natural doesn't mean it's actually best for your skin. Vitamins A, D, E, K in tallow don't absorb through your skin. Your body processes them better through a diet.
it is bio-identical to our skin's natural sebum, so
Sebum-like oils don't mean perfect skin. Many oils clog pores. Just because something mimics human skin oil doesn't mean it's good for your acne-prone skin. This is a misuse of science fallacies using scientific jargon to make false claims seem credible. And number 8, selling a product that doesn't actually work and blaming knockoffs. One of the biggest scams in these ads is how they preemptively excuse their product's failure.
a lot of y'all have to be careful when you're ordering beef tallow because there's a lot of fakes out here.
If you are a victim of the TikTok scam going around with these evil goods beef tallow,
It's so popular now, there are a lot of fakes.
When beef tallow doesn't work for a customer, the influencer claims they just had a bad or fake product version. They encourage people to buy only from their links because they are supposedly counterfeit versions. This shifts the blame onto the consumer instead of admitting that the beef tallow itself just is basic moisturizer and not even a miracle product. And number 9, lying about your age to provide pseudo-positive effects. In several ads, influencers will rapidly age, but somehow look like they're still in their 20s. The truth about beef tallow is, at best, beef tallow is a cheap moisturizer like Vaseline but with more marketing hype. It won't clear your acne, reverse aging, or replace real skincare. These ads aren't just misleading, they're a part of a calculated scam. Influencers use fear, urgency, and fake testimonials to sell overpriced animal fat. And if you don't get the promised results, they'll gaslight you into thinking you bought a knockoff. So before you fall for another TikTok trend, ask yourself, are you buying skincare or just buying into the hype?